we introduce PinSafe, decentralized Pinterest. PinSafe is a platform for decentralized content aggregation and image sharing, where users have content ownership. The inspiration for the project is that currently monolithic web applications retain ownership of user content and stifle the adoption of decentralized technology. There is obviously a similar pattern with large companies in Web3 space. So for example, a user could use OpenSea to publish a content. However, the obstacles for the discovery of content is pretty significant. For example, only a very small fraction of collections get to the homepage. The content publishing process requires significant experience with a very unique technological stack. And feedback and engagement metrics related to content are reflected mostly in the price movement. So we actually see the solution in the Web3 space, where we see that it's a combination of decentralized governance and creator ownership of intellectual property, create new dynamics between content creators and form new, more meaningful communities. We think that the architecture creates new challenges and opportunities to introduce tools that will facilitate the creation of these communities. The proposed solution contains 4 key elements. To begin with, we propose the decentralized feed to reinforce discovery of content and valuable feedback. We also think that decentralized identity ERC 725 standards will provide anonymity and data protection. We obviously think that upgradable, resilient, and more open decentralized storage benefit the project. And finally, we think that smart contracts could securely serve web experience directly to users. So here is our demo of the application. Currently we're at the EVMOS blockchain version of our app. So here is essentially the decentralized feed in its current form. Here you can see the decentralized post of our. On this first post, we can actually see that here's the title, here's the description of our post, and the content of it. This post is actually owned by this address, which we can actually explore on the EVMOS Explorer. And here's the data that we fetch from Covalent. The number of transactions for this NFT and the date that the NFT was minted. And we can also share this, we can share the link for this application, for this NFT with our friends, essentially. So here is the upload page. Here we can enter something along the lines of new posts. For example, here's the description. I really like this app. And here we can add the picture. So we will share the PinSafe here. So now we confirm the transaction on. Here is our new post.